This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Indian-style hummus using an easy method. First, let's gather our key ingredients. You'll need 1 can of chickpeas, about 15 ounces, along with 2 tablespoons of tahini, the juice of 1 lemon, and 2 cloves of garlic. We'll also prepare some aromatic Indian spices to give our hummus its unique flavor. Make sure your food processor or blender is ready for action. Now, let's start blending our hummus base. Begin by adding the drained chickpeas, tahini, fresh lemon juice, and garlic cloves into your food processor. To achieve that perfect creamy texture, add about 2 tablespoons of cold water. Process these ingredients for 2 to 3 minutes, scraping down the sides as needed until the mixture is wonderfully smooth and consistent. This forms the foundation of our delicious Indian hummus. This is where our hummus gets its Indian twist. In a small pan, heat 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil. Once warm, add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1/2 teaspoon of coriander powder, letting them sizzle for about 30 seconds. Then, stir in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder for a beautiful color and earthy flavor. Pour this aromatic spiced oil directly into your blended hummus and mix well. Almost done. Now, taste your Indian-style hummus and adjust the salt as needed. You might want to add a pinch more to enhance the flavors. For a lovely presentation, transfer the hummus to a serving bowl. Garnish with some freshly chopped cilantro and a light drizzle of olive oil. This delightful dip is perfect served with warm naan bread, pita, or a variety of fresh vegetable sticks. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.